The law of assumption is a powerful tool that can change the way we live our lives and perceive reality. But what exactly is it? The law of assumption states that our beliefs and assumptions shape our reality, and by changing our assumptions, we can change our reality. This concept is both fascinating and intimidating because it forces us to take responsibility for our own happiness and reality. But what exactly is this law, and how can you apply it to your life? Let's dive deeper. What is the law of assumption? The law of assumption is based on the idea that what we assume to be true becomes our reality. In other words, our beliefs and assumptions about ourselves and the world around us shape our life experiences. This concept was widely popularized by Neville Goddard, a contemporary writer and lecturer, who argued that imagination is the key to creating our reality. According to Goddard, when you assume something as true in your mind, you begin to live in alignment with that assumption. Over time, that assumption materializes in the physical world. Therefore, if you wish to attract something into your life, you must first mentally assume that you already possess it. Main difference between the law of attraction and the law of assumption. Both techniques aim to help you manifest your desires and create the life of your dreams. Although they are similar, each has its own distinct characteristics. The law of attraction focuses on raising your vibration and maintaining a positive mindset to attract positive things into your life. The universe gives you what you ask for. It's something that flows from the outside, the universe, to the inside you. The law of assumption, on the other hand, states that everything you assume to be true manifests in the 3D world, and you must live in the state of the fulfilled desire. You manifest what you desire in the universe. It's something that flows from the inside, you, to the outside, the world. The easiest way to understand the law of assumption is by considering what its name suggests. When you assume something happened without proof, you take it upon yourself to believe it is true. For example, you see the wet asphalt and assume it rained. You see the car far away and assume you have enough time to cross the street. You assume the Uber will arrive on time. The idea behind the law of assumption is this: to make assumptions about the things you desire. How does the law of assumption work? The law of assumption operates through a 3-step process. 1. Defining your desire. First, you must gain clarity about what you want to attract into your life. It could be a specific goal, a change in behavior, or any other aspiration. 2. Creating a positive assumption. Next, you need to create a positive and detailed assumption that you already possess what you desire. This involves visualizing your desire as fulfilled and feeling the emotions associated with it. It's important to be specific and fully immerse yourself in the mental experience. 3. Maintaining the assumption. Finally, you must keep this assumption alive in your mind, even if your current reality seems to contradict it. This requires consistent practice and unwavering faith that your assumption will manifest at the right time. According to the law of assumption, you are the universe. You are the creator of your own reality and the only one who can control it. You can manifest a specific person. You know best what is right for you, so you can intentionally manifest specific things. Feeling is the secret. It's not just about emotions, but also physical sensations. Neville Goddard teaches you to imagine touch, smell, and other sensory details, and to feel as though it's real, even after you stop imagining it. Your assumptions are what manifest. You can manifest positive things even if you're feeling sad, and negative things too. Your self-concept must align with your assumption. You can hold on to your manifestations if you wish, but you only need to live in the feeling of the fulfilled desire, not in the desire for it to happen. Now, let me teach you some techniques and practices for applying the law of assumption. To use the law of assumption effectively, follow these tips. Daily visualization. Dedicate a few minutes each day to visualize your desire as if it were already a reality. Feel the positive emotions it brings and fully immerse yourself in the experience in your mind. Positive affirmations. Use positive affirmations to reinforce your assumption. Statements like, "I am successful" or "I have abundance in my life" help solidify your belief in the fulfillment of your desire. Break limiting beliefs. Stay away from negative thoughts and doubts that could sabotage your assumption. Remember, consistency is key for the law of assumption to work. A powerful technique to clear limiting beliefs and negative memories is Ho'oponopono. If you're unfamiliar with it, we'll include a video in the card above and in this video's description. Aligned action. While the law of assumption emphasizes the power of the mind, it's also important for your actions to align with your desires. Take steps that move you closer to your goal. Some people explore additional exercises like positive affirmations. I personally use these a lot, even recording them and listening to them as background noise. Another technique is to write as if what you desire has already happened. Others manifest by asking questions like, why am I so wealthy? Why does that person call me every day? How did I get so slim? This questioning technique is incredibly powerful. Many things can ruin your experience with these laws, but I believe the biggest obstacles are impatience and taking things too seriously. Being in a rush to manifest or attract something is a barrier you place in front of yourself. Taking the process too seriously is another one. The times I achieved what I wanted most easily and quickly were when I had fun using the law of assumption. My golden tip is this: regardless of the technique you choose, repeat it. Repeat it many times. Repetition has magical power. It's especially effective for breaking down limiting beliefs. The law of assumption offers an interesting and powerful approach to attracting what you desire. By understanding and applying this law, you can turn your positive assumptions into reality, leading to a fuller and more satisfying life. Remember, the key lies in consistency and unwavering faith in your assumptions. Try this practice and see how it can make a difference in your personal and professional journey. To recap, the law of assumption is a powerful tool that can help us shift our mindset and create a happier, more fulfilling life. It's about embracing the belief that we have the power to create the reality we want, then acting towards that goal. Focus on what you want, visualize yourself already possessing it, and take steps to make it happen. Most importantly, assume that you are capable of achieving your dreams. Thank you for watching, and I'd love to hear about your experiences with the law of assumption in the comments below. Have you made any breakthroughs or faced challenges while trying to apply this law in your life? Let me know. And if you'd like to learn more about mindset and personal development, don't forget to check out my other videos.